Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will learn a complete trading tricks and strategy. Everybody can do this and no prior experience needed. All you just need to do is to have a verified exchange and pick it up. But before that, what exactly is this trading crypto? What do you understand about crypto trading? Crypto trading is the process of buying and also selling a centralized cryptocurrency coin such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, and many more of them. But these are the most significant ones. Alright, so everyone can actually do this. No prior experience needed. All you just need to do is to be attentive to this very video from the beginning to the end, so that by the end of this particular class, you will be able to understand how you can start going about your own trading cryptocurrency coin. Okay, so this cryptocurrency coin have some reasonable type. You have heard about spot trading, featured trading, scalping, limit orders, and many more of them. Alright, so if you are actually understand the crypto, then you should also know that the crypto has a different form, a different types of crypto trading. As I mentioned earlier, we have spot, but the most important one we dive in today is the day-to-day trading. We call it day trading, and this trading is this day trading is the process of buying and selling within the same day. So you can do this and cash out your profit within a short period of time. Okay, within a short trade movement, you can cash out your profit. The second one I want you to look at is the swing trading. We have a swing trading. These are one of the major trading type as well. This deals with holding cryptocurrency coin for some several days or months. This is what we call a swing trading. Then what about the scalping? Scalping meaning many. Okay, you can scalp many at the same time in the same day. You can trade little by little, trade small. Maybe you press the trade when a particular cryptocurrency coin maybe is having a volume of 0.05 and you sell when it's up to 0.055. You see, you take up the profit and also start again. You do small, that is little by little. That is what we mean by scalping. Okay, there's also long time trading, but this is also known as long time investment. It is generally called investment. You invest, and when you invest, you sell when you hit your expected price. It can be months, it can be even a year. Alright, as long as it can get to your own expected price, that's when you can sell. And you only sell when this particular cryptocurrency coin you invested on increased in value. Okay, you sell when it's what? When it's increased in value. And that takes me to the common concepts of trading. Okay, so I'll give you some few common concepts of trading. So we'll be looking at the common concept of this trading you may come across or you may encounter. Let's quickly look at that. We have the market order, that is buy or sell at the current price. Buy or sell at the particular current price. This is what we call the market order. We also have a limit order. Okay, it means you're going to set your specific price which you want to sell or buy. You set your specific price which you want to sell or buy. I've made a particular video of this that explains this limit order long ago. There's also what we call a stop loss and also a take profit. But let's first look at the stop loss before looking at the take profit. Okay, so this stop loss automatically It sells your cryptocurrency coin to avoid what? To avoid more losses. Okay? To avoid more losses. You set this to be in favor of you. Should the cryptocurrency coin you bought or you invested on is falling rapidly. What about take profit? This automatically sell your cryptocurrency for you when the price hits the profit limit you set. This is the opposite of the stop loss. So as a trader, the stop loss and also the take profit, they are very, very vital and they work in twin. Okay, so you must also keep in mind that cryptocurrency coin and cryptocurrency markets are highly volatile. Price can rise and fall dramatically, and this price that can rise and fall dramatically, it can happen in a very short time, a short period of time. So there's significant risk of losing fund when it has to do with cryptocurrency coin. Many beginners start small. They start with small amounts. They learn how the market moves or how the market works, and then they invest more. Okay, if you're trading, you must trade wisely. You must not trade more than what you can afford to lose. It's very important. So whenever you trade, make sure you trade wisely. Okay, if you trade wisely, there will be no problems. Okay, and also you must use stop loss. You must use stop loss. It's very important. If you don't use stop loss, you are on your own. So how actually can you start trading? Let's look at this. How can you start trading? Before you can start trading, you must choose a reliable exchange such as Bybit and also Binance. You must choose a reliable exchange, that's certain. Okay, that's the first thing you must do. You can choose from Bybit, Binance, or any other exchange of your choice. You must create an account, not just an account, but a verified account. Complete identity verification when necessary if you want to be safe in your crypto coin trading. You must also deposit fund starting from 5 USD, 10 USD, 100 USD, and many more depending on how much you want to start with. But as a beginner, I do advise you start with just 5, 10, or even 20 at most. Alright? So having done all of this, I want you to understand that there is risk attached to crypto. So what are actually these particular risks we are talking about? Okay, you cannot start trading cryptocurrency coin without a risk management. You must manage risk. Okay, and the first risk management I want to introduce to you today is that you must not invest more than what you can lose. You don't invest with your business money. You don't trade with money being lent to you if you want to be at the safer side. Okay, so if you are getting this particular class, do it to subscribe, like my videos, and also share my videos so that a lot of people can actually gain value from this amazing content. Okay, you must be cautious when trading cryptocurrency coin to avoid losses. Okay, so one of the risk management I must introduce to you, which I mentioned earlier, is use stop loss order. To avoid much losses, use stop loss orders. You can always rejoin when the market becomes favorable. You must also avoid emotional trading. Stop being emotional about the particular cryptocurrency coin you're trading. And the last but not the least of this risk management I'm introducing to you is that you must start with small accounts. Start with very small amount. Okay, because a lot of beginners make some common mistake, and those common mistakes are chasing pumps. A lot of them will see a particular cryptocurrency coin that have already pumped, they wish to dive into it again. Is very wrong. You must avoid a coin that's already pumped. Okay, you must avoid it. You must also avoid using excessive leverage. For those of us who are trading on future coin or who, okay, One of the mistakes they make again is like they ignore risk management. Do not do that. Do not ignore risk management. You must manage risk. They also trade without plan. You must trade with a plan. Okay? You must trade with a plan. They also follow random social media acts or tips. You must avoid all of that if you must stay safe. So looking at this particular cryptocurrency, let me cite some few examples of cryptocurrency. Okay, you can buy Bitcoin. Simple example of cryptocurrency trading. You can buy Bitcoin. Probably you buy it at 50,000 USD and you can sell it at 55,000 USD. You make 5,000 if you buy one. Okay, trading is simple, but you must be cautious. If the price rises, you sell. Okay, but if the price fall, otherwise, instead, you could lose money, or you can still stay patient pending when the price is recovered. Okay, so there is no big deal about that. If you do enjoy this particular class, please do want to subscribe, like my videos, and also share my videos so that a lot of people can actually gain value from this. Alright, so you must keep in mind, crypto coin, they're highly volatile. So this brings me to the end of the class. I will see you in my next class. If you do have any question, drop it in the comment sections and I'll attend to you ASAP. Thank you so much. I'll see you in my next class. Bye.